Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how can we create shelf with a chamfer panel in the between. Okay, so let's go to AiHouse. So for example here I'm using system cabinet function. Okay, I'm using the basic cabinet and then go to universal cabinet. Okay, so let's say from here I take out one basic universal cabinet, drag and drop. Okay, to put on the panel shelf. Okay, you can click to your carcass and then you can press right click, add function part. Okay, and then for the shelf, you need to go to panel type. Under panel type, you can go to other thickness plates. Okay, so then you can find EBE sandwich fixed laminate. Okay, you can take out. So from here, you can see the profile. We have like 3 layers of panel. Okay, so for example, I take out one panel from here. I put it to my universal cabinet. Okay, you can adjust the middle plate indentation here under special parameters. So here you can see middle plate indentation. Okay, so let's say here I put example of 15. Okay, so you can see here it will move inward. So it's up on you. It's up to you lah. It's either to be how much do you want to go to let the panel to be inward. And then let's say you want to change panel material. Okay, let me close on my cloud library first. Okay, let's say you want to change material for the center panel only. You can press B to your keyboard and then you can click on it and then you change material. Okay, so let's say here I change to this color. Okay, see? And then you can press escape to your keyboard. Okay, and then in the picture just now we have like a chamfer slanted 45-degree chamfer. So in this case we have 90 degrees. So how can we adjust it? Again, you can press B to your keyboard. And then we have angle cut. Click on it. Okay. And then you can choose your line side that you want. So let's say here I create it to this area. Confirm. And then I click to this part. And then confirm. Right? So after you have set, you can close your meter function. And then you can press escape to your keyboard. Okay, to have the panel to be distributed equally. So then you can click back again, right click, evenly divided. So then you will have your shelving with chamfer panel and panel in the center. Alright, so that is all from me. Thank you.